So my name is Jared Weaver and I work for GE Global Research in New York, and I do research on CMC processing and repair technologies. So I'm here as an industrial advisor, and I'm really looking for what is the vision of the workshop and how can I make sure that that aligns with the needs of industry. And then second is to look at the students and see the next generation of researchers that are being trained, and make sure that they know there are opportunities available in industry and how to access the people and those opportunities. So polymer-derived ceramics have a lot of application in the field of ceramic matrix composites, whether it's in jet turbine engines or hypersonics or space applications. I really think that that's a great place for the field to grow and to be industrialized.